decided to come in from the sunroom, huh, Mr. Chapman?
I did. It's cold out there.
Oh, go ahead.
Now before the court is Michael Hickerson of case 142454DS. Mr. Hickerson is here today after failing to appear before this court on July 10th, 2024. For the record, that was a bench warrant hearing. Mr. Hickerson was previously before the court for a bond review hearing on June 28th of 2024. He was released without bond at that time at the jail's request due to medical reasons. And then he failed to appear for the hearing. Bond is currently set at $4,815. This is the fourth bench warrant. He reports no employment. Last payment made on this account was in January of 2024. The Calhoun County Sheriff's Department is requesting transportation costs reimbursement in the amount of $81.72. Front of the court recommends that a reasonable bond be set in this matter and it be scheduled for hearing on August 28th, 2024 at 8:00 a.m. before this court.
Thank you. Mr. Hickerson, you're before the court charged with civil contempt of court due to your failure to appear at a prior proceeding as a result of your failure to pay child support. Purpose of this hearing is to set a bond that would assure your tenants at the next hearing on August 28, 2024 at 8:00 a.m. You will get notice of that in writing. Sir, you were in court previously on June 28th and you didn't show up on the July 10th date. Why is that?
I was told by a U.S. Marshal that because I'm a Christian that I'm being persecuted and to leave the country. He said that pretty much I need to leave as soon as possible for my safety, that me getting a job, me surviving. I have been attempted to be trafficked. A lot of attempts on my life. And I've literally been in fear for my life running in circles. Getting a job is completely off this charts because I am in exile. I am not allowed to work a job. They will not keep me working the job. I've been trying everything in my possible. All I want is a normal life. I want to be able to work. I want to be able to keep housing. However, every homeless shelter I go to, I am impeded and imposed upon. My IDs get stolen. I get scrutinized to a point that it's unbearable. I don't know what to do. I want to just work a normal job and pay my child support, but I am literally being ran in circles in my own country in fear for my life. It has also come to my attention that my son is being brutally raped and is being recorded and sold on the black web. I have tried to talk to cops about it. They tell me that it is up to me as the father to take care of it. I have had no way of defending him, and it is breaking my heart. I'm doing everything in my possible just to be a good father, and I don't want to not pay child support. That is not my intent. But right now I'm in fear for my life. I am in exile, and I'm living in Exodus, sir.
Okay. Well, sir, sounds like the biggest bunch of nonsense I've heard in a while, but I guess that's your story. So the court will first order that you reimburse the sheriff transportation cost of $81.72. The court will note that, again, you didn't appear within almost a week of when the court had released you on no bond. What the court's going to do is set your bond in the amount of $1,000. If you're able to post that, you'd be able to be released. Do you have any questions?
I will not be able to post that, so I will be sitting here until August
28th when we have your hearing. Okay, sir. Free to go. Have a good day.
Yep, thank you.
Mr. Chapman, on Mr. Branch, I forgot to do the reimbursement to sheriff. Would you just have them bring that up next week and we'll do it then?
Yep, we'll do.
Sorry, I missed it. I'd even highlighted it and then looked over it.
Then missed it. Now before the court is Timothy Spidel of cases 062081DP and case 122453DS. In each of these matters, Mr. Spidel is here today after failing to appear before this court on June 26, 2024. In the 2006 case, bond is currently set at $3,515. This is the 8th bench warrant. In the 2012 case, bond is currently $1,897, and this is the 6th bench warrant. He reports no employment. The last payment made on these accounts was in October of 2023. Front of the court recommends that reasonable bonds be set in these matters and they be scheduled for hearing on August 28th, 2024 at 8:00 a.m. before this court.
Mr. Spidel, you're before the court charged with civil contempt of court due to your failure to appear at a prior proceeding as a result of your failure to pay child support. Purpose of this hearing is to set a bond that would assure your tenants at the next hearing on 8/28/24 at 8:00 a.m. You will get notice of that in writing. Are you able to post a bond, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, court does note in the one case you have, it's your 8th bench warrant, the other one, your 6th bench warrant, and you haven't paid since October of 2023, and you have a sizable arrearage. What I'm going to do is reduce your bond in hopes that you could be released, but I'm going to set your bond in each case in the amount of $500. If you're able to post that, you'd be able to be released. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. You're free to go. Have a good day. Anything else, Mr. Chapman?
I do have some bench warrants for the record. If I may.
Okay.